So how do you turn on the light mode on the iPad? Let's talk about it. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the Foxtecc channel so you don't miss videos like this one. Now, the easiest way is to swipe down from the top right portion of the display to activate the control center where you can locate the brightness slider. This one, when you hold down on it, shows three more buttons below the slider. There is the one for the dark mode, night shift, and a true tone. So you can disable the dark mode and enable the light mode in that case, right? So that would be pretty self-explanatory. As you can see, I also added this toggle separately, so I don't even have to go to the brightness slider because I have it visible right there. And you can add it the same way when you tap on the plus button in your control center, tap on add a control, and just bring here the dark mode, right? So this is another shortcut which can make things easier for you. Keep in mind, however, that this can also be set up automatically, meaning that your iPad might still return back to the dark mode. So for that and not to change, go to your iPad's settings, check out the display and brightness section, and you can see we have the appearance right there at the top. So again, it's the same thing. It's the light and a dark, but below we have the automatic toggle. And you can turn it off to make sure that it doesn't change ever, or at least change the options. Like a lot of people, including me, use it like dark until sunrise, right? Which means that when the sun sets, your iPad will switch to the dark mode, and then in the morning it will be back to the light mode, right? So it depends on how you want to have it, but if you want to disable it, just turn off the toggle for automatic, and your iPad will stay in the light or dark mode, depending on how you choose it. But that's it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to pull it off and make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next tutorials.